Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to authenticate the firewall. Every Parrot server is protected by a firewall designed to keep your information and data secure. Reasons for needing to authenticate the firewall include getting started for the first time with Parrot, changing internet providers, agents working remotely, or having a dynamic IP address instead of a static IP address. If your Parrot page looks like this, it's usually an indicator that the firewall has not yet been authenticated. To authenticate the firewall, refer to your email with instructions. Copy the link into the browser window. Then you'll see an authentication required box. Make sure you type in your username and password exactly as they appear. Once you hit login, you should see a page that says you are authenticated. Please wait 60 seconds. If you get something that says unauthorized, clear your cache and try again, and make sure you type in the correct login and password again. Once this is complete, you'll be redirected back to your page and you'll be authenticated to log in and get started. Thank you.